Important CBSE Maths Class 10 for 2026. If cot theta plus cos theta equals to P and cot theta minus cos theta equals to Q, then prove that P square minus Q square equals to 4 root over PQ. Solution. Left hand side. P square minus Q square. Substituting the values of P and Q. Cot theta plus cos theta whole square minus cot theta minus cos theta whole square. This is A, this is B square minus B square. Cot theta plus cos theta plus cot theta, A plus B minus B cos theta into cot theta plus cos theta minus cot theta plus cos theta. This will be cancelled, cos theta, cot theta, twice cot theta into twice cos theta, that is 4 cot theta cos theta. Again right hand side, 4 root over PQ. Substituting values of P and Q, cot theta plus cos theta into cot theta minus cos theta. 4 A square minus B square, A plus B minus B, that is cot square theta minus cos square theta. 4 root over common, cot square theta common, 1 minus cos square theta by cot square theta. Okay, 4 this is cot theta root over 1 minus cos square theta by, we know, sin square theta by cos square theta. This is 1. 4 cot theta, 1 minus cos square theta by 1, you change. This will be cos square theta by sin square theta. Sin square theta by cos square theta. Sin square cos theta will be cancelled. 4 cot theta root over 1 minus sin square theta. This will be cot theta cos square theta. 4 cot theta into cos theta. Therefore left hand side equal to right hand side root.